Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a winter nail polish haul. It's a random assortment of polishes. The first nail polish I picked up, I have been wanting a candy apple red shimmer polish for a long time. I finally found one that I kind of felt excited to get, that like it was the one, and I love it so very much. That is the China Glaze. This one is called Red Pearl. But it's this beautiful red shade with the shimmer running throughout, and it looks like a candy apple on your nails. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. I picked this up on Amazon. Same thing with the next polish. I picked this up on Amazon. And it's an Orly nail polish. I've been really loving Orly. China Glaze is just one of my all-time favorite brands, but Orly is becoming one of my newer favorite brands as well. This one, you'll love this. It's part of a holiday collection. It's a green holographic nail polish. I don't know if you can see the rainbow on the bottle there, but it's there. It's so pretty. I am loving that one. I placed an order Black Friday from KB Shimmer. I sent a free sticker, which is my first time getting a KB Shimmer sticker, which is awesome. And I picked up 2 polishes in that sale. My main reason for ordering was to pick up this shade here, and this is called What a Pearl Wants, and I just thought this would be beautiful with like snowflakes and stuff on it. I ended up wearing this, but I ended up not stamping anything on top of it, only because it's so pretty, and I didn't have time. Oh, and what cute boxes, they have a peekaboo window there. I think that's pretty neat. The camera's probably not going to do this one justice, but it kind of is right now. Look at all them beautiful, shimmery, flaky goodness there. And it literally does shine like a pearl, doesn't it? Oh, it's absolutely stunning. It shifts so many different colors. It literally is a pearl in a bottle. It's stunning. They released a new like winter collection, and I happened to see this one, and it's called Holiday Traditions. And I'm wearing this one on my nails. It's a white Corelli polish with all, let's see, silver, green, and red different sized glitters. And I see this name and I cannot help but to think of Broken Matt Hardy. Traditions. Anybody with me? Anybody love the Hardy Boys? I love the Hardy Boys. We met Matt Hardy. This is stunningly gorgeous and obviously perfect for the holidays. I love how it looks on the nails. And it was built up opaque, even though it is acrylic, in 3 coats. You can wear it sheerer than that, but I'm going to put some nail art on this, so that's why I didn't. I placed 2 ILNP orders, got 2 free stickers. I decided that I was going to order 2 of their brand new winter Christmassy collection polishes, and then on a whim I decided I needed another. Here's the first 2 that I ordered. Here's what their boxes look like, and they have a little small peekaboo heart. So cute. So this polish caught my eye first, and I could not pass it up. And it is this gorgeous, it's a sheer white polish with this like white shimmer flakes and red shimmer flakes in there. It's called North Pole. It literally looks like a smashed, shattered broken up pieces of candy cane. It shimmers like that in the sun. Also, it's beautiful, absolutely stunning. I did wear this in 3 coats on my nails. Absolutely stunning. You could still see visible nail line, but it is a sheer formula, as you can tell. You could use this as a topper as well. Absolutely stunning. I did Christmas nail art on top of this as well. Also, side note, back to the pearl polish, this was 3 coats on my nails. But I had to have this. It literally just, it looks like crushed peppermint, crushed candy cane. It's stunning. The next polish I picked up from ILNP is called Toyland. This one is a minty polish with red and green. Tiny little glitter flakies in there. It's so pretty. I love how this looks. It's so beautiful. Can't wait to wear that. And then after I watched some other videos and stuff, I had to have this one. It's called Noel. And it's this beautiful green. And it's very, very unique. It has these tiny micro flaky glitters that are different colors. So when I look at this, I just instantly think of like the Christmas tree. This is a green and it has all the beautiful colors and making for beautiful Christmas tree nail art. Oh, it's so stunning. And this one's a jelly formula, I believe. Absolutely stunning though. Absolutely stunning. Maniology had a 30% off sale. So for Maniology, did include this free winter themed sticker. Season's greetings. How cute is this sticker? I absolutely love it. A couple essentials that I needed to replace. And I needed a smudge-free top coat. Smudge-free top coat, which is you have to have in stamping, and straight up black. This is the best stamping polish. This is definitely my go-to. I've tried others and I just really love the Maniology black. A new Maniology polish I wanted to pick up, not new to the site, but new to me, and had been wanting it for a while. It's a pearly white and it's called Frozen. So beautiful. Pretty. Every time I see anybody use it, I'm like, oh, I need that. I had been eyeing this plate for a while, so I wanted to go ahead and pick this up. This is plate M512. It's like a peppermint plate, so you have different layered images. I love the Sweet But Twisted stamp, and of course these here. I love everything about this plate. Picked up a few more stamping plates. This is the gnome plate. It is M339. It has little cute gnome sayings on it. And you get all kinds of little gnome images, and you get a build a gnome here. Not only going to use this plate for Christmas or winter, you can stamp gnomes any time of the year. Switch around colors and stuff for their hats and stuff. I'm excited for this. Then I do remember the name of this plate, and it is Snow Buddies. This is M529, and it has all these really awesome background pieces or just standalone pieces. You get some little accent kind of pieces. And my most favorite, and the reason for actually getting this plate, I wanted a plate with snowmen on it. And this plate has some really cute snowmen images and snow woman images. They are adorable. There's a little doggy Yes, I cannot wait to use this plate. It's actually what's going to be going on these nails here. So cute. And this plate here is M636, and once again you get all these awesome little backgrounds, and then you get all these little centerpieces for the backgrounds or the borders, whatever you want to call them. I guess in this case they're probably borders with the center fill in there. So you get lots of different options there. Little words. Love that. Lots of cute things that can come out of this plate. And they had a bunch of stamping kits on sale, and I could not pass this one up. This is the Nordic Noel Stamping Starter Kit. And I do really love the plate in here. And I'll show you the plate in a second, but you get, I'm going to begin to try to prod that out with my nails right now. But you get a stamper. It's limited edition. And the scraper card. But I'm really excited to have another limited edition stamper and scraper. And you also get a stamping polish. This one's red. A smudge-free top coat. So excited for that stamper there. And these kits are awesome. If you're new to stamping, you can buy one of these kits, especially while it's on sale, $8 to $10. Everything in this box will get you started with stamping, because you have a stamper, a scraper, a polish to stamp with, and you have a smudge-free top coat, and you have a stamping plate. And the plate that comes with the Nordic Noel is 644. And this is incredibly cute. Like, look at these background or full images. I love the little gnomes. And the poinsettias, also that's something that I don't really own anything of in my stamping collection. So the poinsettias all in these images, really awesome. I love the little animals. And it has sayings over here or other accents. And I love the season's greetings with the gnome. So cute. Really awesome stamping plate. Since we're here talking about Maniology, I thought that I would share the December Mani-Me box. This box contained 2 stamping polishes and 3 stamping plates. So we got one of the stamping plates as a free gift, which is kind of rare. The box came with 2 polishes. The gray one is called UFO, and it's a gray with holographic glitters in there. And then the blue one here is so pretty. Zero Gravity. Also a blue with holographic. The holographic's more apparent in this one, as you can see. This one's more finer. This one's more grittier. More bigger pieces, I should say. You can definitely tell the difference. Absolutely stunning. So pretty. And then 3 stamping plates. 2 of these I have used in a manicure. So they don't have the blue film on them anymore. But this one is MXM165. And lots of awesome space images. I love the Beam Me Up, Don't Probe Me, Cosmic Cutie. Love this as well. This one is MXM166, and this has a lot of little accent pieces or little standalone stamps that you could add with the backgrounds on the other plates. And so you have this cute little alien, lots of galaxy, nebula, spaceships, kind of feel like like the space river, for lack of a better word, but like the astronauts, the little spirals. There's a kitty. Adorable. Okay. And then the free plate is M599, and you get these really large images, and you get some astronaut images and more spirally things, spaceships. Look at that one, so cool. So yeah, lots of fun space stuff. That is everything from Maniology. At Walmart, I found a beautiful glitter polish from LA Colors. This one is from the Mermaid Magic line. I love the caps to these, they're so beautiful. This one's called Crystals. Just absolutely stunning. So you have hollow in there, then you have these silver, so holographic, these other like little silvery glitters, and then you have your round iridescent glitters as well. It's stunning. I already own some from this line, but I didn't have this glitter, and I'm wearing it now. Isn't it stunning? I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.